Ever feel like you're riding a BMX bike down a super steep hill, and everything is out of control? That's how many people in crypto feel right now, especially if you're holding altcoins. You know, the coins that aren't Bitcoin? Those coins seem to be going down fast and hard right now, and it's making a lot of people nervous. Maybe you've been watching your coins drop by 20%, 30%, or even 50%, and you're thinking, is this the end of crypto? Should I just give up? Well, I want to talk about why I don't think the crypto market is over. In fact, I believe some huge things are about to happen in the world of crypto, and we might just be on the verge of something huge. So, let's break it all down. 1. Crypto isn't dead yet. First things first, don't panic. We're not at the end of the crypto cycle. If you look at Bitcoin's performance, you'll see that it's actually doing pretty well compared to the past. Bitcoin is still following the same pattern it has during previous big market cycles, like in 2017 and 2021. 1. In 2021, coins like Solana exploded, growing 143 times in just 1 year. 2. Dogecoin jumped 64 times that same year. So, don't freak out if your altcoins are down right now. If you look at Bitcoin's price today, we're actually doing better than we were in 2017 and 2021, so things are still on track. 2. Bullish news that you might not have heard about. I know a lot of people are feeling confused. Bitcoin's price seems okay, but altcoins just keep dropping. But here's some crazy good news that many of you might not have heard yet. 1. BlackRock, one of the biggest investment companies in the world, just filed to make a Bitcoin ETF. 1. That means people can buy Bitcoin without actually having to own any. 1. This is a huge deal for the price of Bitcoin. 2. Michael Saylor, one of the biggest Bitcoin supporters, said that banks will now be able to hold Bitcoin, which means it's about to get a lot easier to buy and hold crypto. 3. Trump just signed an order to make the USA the world capital of crypto. 3. That's right. America is stepping up to lead in the world of digital currencies. And there's more. Just recently, Larry Fink, the CEO of BlackRock, said he wants to bring even more traditional assets, like stocks and bonds, into the crypto world. Imagine how much this could grow the market. 3. Why are prices down? So if all this good news is happening, why aren't we seeing Bitcoin and altcoins explode in price right now? Well, I think some big players are holding the prices down on purpose. They're waiting to buy more Bitcoin and altcoins before the price skyrockets. You see, the US government might soon add more cryptocurrencies, besides just Bitcoin, to the national stockpile. But they're not saying which altcoins they'll add yet, and that's keeping people on edge. The government wants to buy the coins at lower prices first. It's kind of like a secret game where the big players are trying to get their coins first before the price shoots up. 4. A shift in crypto talk. Something interesting is happening in the world of crypto right now. People who have been Bitcoin-only fans are now starting to talk about crypto in general, not just Bitcoin. Michael Saylor, who has always been known as a Bitcoin-only guy, just said that the crypto renaissance has begun. This is big because it shows that people are starting to see the bigger picture. Sure, Bitcoin is still king, but there are so many other coins out there with potential. This shift is exciting because it shows that crypto isn't just a one-coin world anymore. There's room for lots of growth in different areas like AI coins, gaming coins, and real-world asset coins. And I'll be talking more about those in future videos. 5. What's happening with Bitcoin? Okay, so you're probably asking, what's going to happen with Bitcoin? Why is it stuck in this weird sideways pattern? Well, Bitcoin's price has been bouncing up and down for the last couple of months. It went from about $90,000, up to $100,000, down to $90,000 again, then up to $108,000. It's been a roller coaster. But here's the thing. When Bitcoin finally breaks out of this sideways action, I think we're going to see it hit $150,000 by early summer. Yes, I said $150,000. Long term, I'm super bullish on Bitcoin. But short term, there's still a lot of market manipulation and outside factors that could cause the price to fluctuate. 6. Bitcoin dominance is rising. While altcoins are struggling a bit, Bitcoin's dominance has actually been going up. This means that Bitcoin is gaining more of the total value of the entire crypto market. This makes sense because people are starting to trust Bitcoin more than other coins right now. Bitcoin's been solid during the ups and downs, and many investors are holding it as a safe bet. 7. What am I buying? I know a lot of you are wondering, what coins should I be looking at? In future videos, I'll be sharing more about the AI, gaming, and real-world asset sectors that I'm keeping my eye on. There are some amazing undervalued projects in these areas, and they could be the next big thing. 8. The big picture. Why crypto will grow. At the end of the day, the world is going to keep printing more and more money. And when that happens, assets like Bitcoin tend to go up in value. As more and more countries around the world add Bitcoin and other cryptos to their reserves, the value will rise. And when Bitcoin goes up, all those altcoins, Ethereum, Solana, Dogecoin, usually follow suit. So, if you're feeling down right now, just remember, the big picture is still super bright for crypto. So, in conclusion, even though the market might feel tough right now, this is not the end of crypto. We're just in a waiting phase before things really take off. I believe Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies are going to rise, and we're in for an exciting ride. Thanks for watching, and if you want to learn more about what's coming next in crypto, make sure to subscribe. I'll be back with more updates on what I'm buying and why I'm so excited for the future of crypto. See you soon.